factory price for flower vase. So we have different styles. For this one, that's the front view, and it has three custom design here. 1, 2, 3. So for this flower vase, we use it for flowers to beautify the house. This is flower, for example, yeah. Or if you have some beautiful ones, yeah. So the price of this one for one piece, the price is 158 Chinese currency. The highest quality, 185 Chinese currency. US dollars 27. Australian dollars 47 for one piece. And we have 6 of this one. We have 6 in one carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of this glass in one carton. 6. Okay, 6 of this one. And the CBM for one carton for the 6, the CBM is 0.16 CBM. And the weight of one carton is 20 kg, 20 kg, the weight. And the minimum order quantity, so it's 10, which means you must buy 10 of this one to get this price. 10 cartons. We have different colors. We have this color, we have this color, and we have this color. And if you want your different color, we can also customize. So this is all the stories about this product, and it's the highest quality here. So we are the factory direct in this city for this product. So if you need, you can find our sales director to give you the quotation. So this is the price for this video for this time. So it depends on your quantity. If you need more quantity, we may drop down the price a little bit. So this is for a reference. Thank you very much.